let's talk about the back end of the WordPress to look into some features or some tools that you can use to work with the back end. Now, begin from here. You want to switch over to the front end of your site. You look at here, when you click here and then click here, visit site, it opens the front end of the site. Okay, now we have a place for updates, like when you click it, and what it does, it opens and shows you the updates. If you have themes update, plugin update, WordPress update, they will be listed over this place. Then you can do your updates. Now we have a place called the post. We want to view all the posts, want to add a new post. Posts are always meant to have categories. You want to categorize your post, assuming you are preparing a blog for news. You want to give a tags. Okay, you use here to create your post. Posts are always good for dynamic websites. Okay, now we have a place of media updates, like you want to upload video, pictures, and so on. This is media library here, and you want to add, you can click here. For instance, when you click here, and then it will open for you. Then you can select a file here for upload, and probably from your computer, and that's what it is. So I'm not taking anything for now. Let's assume I want to select this file, okay, a picture and whatever it is. Okay, so that is it. Now here we have for pages. We have all pages. I want to create a new page. All pages will display the existing pages. Right now, when you click upon it, it will open up to show us how many pages we have in this place. And right now we have only 2 pages, privacy page and simple page. Okay, now if you want to add a new page, you can click here, or you click over here, and the same pages that you have published, pages that you drafted, they will show here. Now you can build a site that takes comment from the front end. When the site is receiving comment from the front end, every comments people made on the front end, you will see them on this place. Okay, so you click it and all the comments appear here, and this is a sample of comment made here. Okay, you can unapprove, reply, edit a comment, quick edit or full edit of comment. You can declare comment to be a spam. Okay, and then you can trash a comment. So this is for comment. Then we have appearance. Appearance here help you to go for theme settings. Okay, WordPress is made up mainly of themes and plugins. Like here we have 2 themes, about 3 themes here, but from the screenshot is only 2 that is showing. We have 3 themes here, so you can change the theme. Okay, let's activate this particular theme. This is the present theme that the WordPress came with. Okay, theme 2022. So I'm switching over to 2020 now, and once I switch over to this theme, and then the front end of this site will change. Let me visit the site and see what we look at. And so by clicking here, you see the front end of the site has changed. So you can see the front end of the theme because we updated the theme. This was the current theme after installing the WordPress. This is the theme that we just activated. So the front end changed. Now if you activate this particular theme now and see what will happen. Okay, now let's check and see how this particular theme look like. You see, so this is the theme. When we activate this particular theme, this is active theme. So we have the front end of the site to look like this. Okay, now when you activated this particular theme, we have the front end and to look like this. And then remember, this was the particular theme our default theme that the WordPress come. So one good thing about these themes, you can delete these themes and you can add a new theme on the site. Okay, so here is a place where you can customize a theme. Okay, by the time you click on it, and then you can want to customize the active theme. Want to customize means changing the appearance, how you want the front end to appear. Okay, so you click on it, it's coming up. Okay, so you can customize the theme here, the color, the setting, site identity, and so on here of everything that you install on a WordPress. On a WordPress, look at how the theme looks like. Customize the theme, make your changes. Okay, so that is about it. And then this is for widgets, and then this is for menu, background, theme file editor, which you are going to learn each of them as we proceed. The next thing to look about is a place for the plugin. Okay, and then installed plugins. You can add a new plugin, you can edit a particular plugin. That is how. So these are the two plugins, default plugins that this WordPress came with, and they are not activated. So you can activate them, you can also delete them, and plugins are being put according to what you want to do on the site based on the functionality of the site. Okay, now we have here shows the number of users, total number of users using the site, assuming it is a site that involves login. Okay, you look at them over this place, and then you can add a new user, and you can view a profile of a user here. Okay, now we have tools. The tools enable you to available tools here to import, export information. Okay, and then export personal data, erase personal data from the site. Then one of the most important things to talk about is the settings. And when you install a site, you have to do some settings on the site. We have general settings for the site, we have writing setting, reading setting, discussion setting, and media setting. Spam links talk about the addresses, the web addresses of the site. Okay, they will have for privacy. So this is all we can talk about concerning Module 2, touring around the site. Now in our next learning, we are going to learn how to use each of these tools in site building. Thank you very much.